Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, February 3rd. We saw a low of 30 degrees at Wallops this morning, and overnight we saw about an inch of snow fall across the region, which lined up with our forecast. Snow did hold off a little bit yesterday, a little later to start than we had originally anticipated, but we did end up getting that inch down at Wallops and about 2 inches or so up in the Salisbury area. Going to be seeing clouds start to clear out today a little bit, becoming partly sunny here by the late morning hours and into the afternoon. And with that little bit of sunshine, can't rule out the slight chance of maybe seeing a little flurry develop this afternoon, but that looks to be less than a 20% chance of occurring. Taking a look at our surface analysis, still have that nor'easter hanging out across just to the east of Maine, and that's what's helping to give us continued cloud cover this morning, but we are going to be seeing some more sunshine today with a high of around 40 degrees. And like I said, could be seeing a slight chance of a flurry. There is a little bit of shortwave energy hanging off north of the Delmarva that could spark off something down here. But anything that does is going to be very spotty and very isolated. So not really a high chance worth mentioning too much at all for this afternoon. Taking a look at our satellite across the area, there you see those clouds clearing across the Delmarva, seeing partly to even mostly sunny, partly cloudy to even mostly sunny skies across portions of the Delmarva this morning. So that widespread snowfall across pretty much the entire mid-Atlantic region. And then you see increase in cloud cover here across Maryland portions west of the bay, and maybe we'll see a flurry out of that as we go into the afternoon. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, seeing northwesterly winds pretty much across the entire column. Highest wind speeds are actually in the lower levels this morning, with the wind max close to 40 knots at 3,000 feet, and then pretty weak throughout the remainder of the column above 6,000 feet, only running around 10 to 20 knots. Seeing freezing level this morning, of course, at the surface with our low of 30 degrees. Taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be seeing a high of 40 degrees this afternoon. We'll see sunshine off and on as we get towards late morning hours and throughout the afternoon as well. Northwesterly winds will increase a bit late this morning, 11 to 16 knots and slightly gusty late this morning throughout the afternoon hours, then becoming 8 to 13 knots and slightly gusty for the overnight hours through mid-morning tomorrow. We are expecting a low tomorrow morning of 27 degrees under clear to mostly clear skies. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be continuing to see a few discrete clouds at 3,000 feet, broken around 6,000 feet, give or take, and a broken cirrus deck throughout much of the day today. As we go into this afternoon, could see briefly overcast again at times when we get a little bit of that shortwave energy moving through that could possibly give us isolated flurry here and there. And then after sunset around 10 p.m., we'll see those clouds really start to clear out. A few clouds at 6,000 feet, few at 25,000, and then by the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow, expecting clear skies with just a few clouds around 3,000 feet around the area. Still seeing tides a bit high, around 1 to 1.5 foot above normal across the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Those tides should be slowly returning to normal as we see that nor'easter weakening and moving away from the northeast over the next day or two. Let's take a look at our long-range weather model to show you how the weather pattern will be progressing over the next several days. We are going to be seeing that dry air moving tonight and then seeing a partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies tomorrow with some more seasonable conditions expected, and should be a pretty pleasant Thursday out there. And then Thursday night, we're going to be seeing a early low as southwesterly flow is going to ramp up a bit Thursday night ahead of our next front. That'll help to bump those temperatures up throughout the night. And then on Friday, going to be seeing this front move across the region. It is going to be in the form of rain showers for most of the mid-Atlantic, maybe some snow across extreme northern portions of the Delmarva. But otherwise, going to be seeing showers pretty much throughout most of the day Friday. This looks like they will end by the early evening or perhaps even late afternoon. And then we go into our weekend. We'll get some more seasonable, chillier conditions returning to the area under partly cloudy skies for Saturday. And then on Sunday, we'll see another system that the models have been not really agreeing well with and not developing well at all. We'll have this cold trough approaching the northeast and then this low pressure developing across the southeast. Earlier in the week, the models had been phasing better, giving us a better chance of some wintry mix or any precipitation rather for our Sunday. But some of the models have now completely detached these two features, allowing us to kind of be in a dry slot in between them, not getting much precipitation at all. But we're still seeing some showing possibility of a wintry mix. So right now, only about a 20 to 30% um, confidence for seeing any precipitation across the Delmarva for our Sunday. It is going to be mostly cloudy to overcast regardless, though. And then Monday, seeing some more sunshine, looking like it's going to be partly cloudy out there. Could be seeing a weak clipper system move across the area Monday, and to give us just an uptick in cloudiness. And then the models continue to be very different after that, starting Sunday and through the middle of next week, with this particular model giving us another wave across the region, maybe seeing some wintry mix or snow for the middle of next week, and then keeping that boundary really stationary as we go into the middle to late next week, but possibly giving us some more chances for wintry precipitation as we go into the second half of next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast for today, mostly cloudy today with a high of 40. Tomorrow's going to be very seasonable, low of 27 with a high of 44 and a partly cloudy sky. It should be a fairly pleasant day out there for the beginning of February. We'll see that early low of around 31 Thursday night with temperatures increasing throughout the night. We're then expecting a mild 51 for Friday with scattered showers as that front moves across the region. We will see a return to seasonable conditions Saturday with partly to mostly cloudy skies and a high of 48. A high of 48 once again expected on Sunday, but like I had mentioned, Sunday is really where we see our differing weather models and even our ensembles completely diverge. So low confidence forecast starting Sunday and into next week. Right now, going to go with just a 25% chance of a wintry mix. There's still um, a lot of agreement that needs to occur between the models to feel confident about lowering or increasing that chance. So just a 25% for now. Monday does look dry with partly cloudy skies, a little chilly out there, a high of 40. And then Tuesday, very low confidence forecast right now, only looking at around a 20% chance of an isolated wintry mix and a very differing temperature forecast as well. So we're going to go with just a high of 40 degrees. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.